Cities are great. They give us easy access to loads of things that enable us to live a good quality of life. For example, healthcare, education, and work opportunities, and plenty of social interactions through various cultural initiatives, recreation and sports, and get-togethers with friends and family. However, urbanization comes at a price, having impact on the environment by increasing flood risk, increasing noise and air pollution, causing habitat and biodiversity loss. There are also social consequences such as social disparities, health inequalities, and increased crime and antisocial behavior. In urban areas, we are exposed to polluted air, which can have serious health consequences. For example, at least 230,000 people a year die prematurely to air pollution in Europe. The impacts of heat waves are much worse in urban areas. Due to the heat-retaining properties of building materials, urban areas are warmer compared to nearby rural areas. In 2022, at least 15,000 people died in Europe from hot weather. Furthermore, water that runs off urban areas is often contaminated with pollutants, causing threats to animal and plant species which live in rivers, ponds, and lakes, and resulting in increased treatment costs to ensure that water is safe to drink. Finally, urban environment can be noisy, stressful places that take a toll on our mental health. However, integrating nature back into our cities can help to reduce some of these issues and create more healthy and enjoyable environments for us all to live in. For example, people who exercise in the natural environment at least once a week are half as likely to experience poor mental health compared to those that do not. As a result, we need a new way of thinking about city design, one where nature and people are at the center of urban planning. This is exactly the aim of the euPOLIS project. By introducing nature-based solutions and engaging citizens with city design, we will encourage a sense of ownership and make our cities much happier and more inclusive places for all. Nature-based urban solutions use or mimic natural processes to enhance circularity in cities and introduce healthy, blue and green urban spaces that motivate and enable healthy lifestyles of the residents. To explain how NBS work, we use an example of metabolic wastewater and rainwater treatment systems. In euPOLIS, our advanced wastewater treatment system uses aquatic plants and nanofibers to treat wastewater from sewers, which create a aesthetically pleasing environment and produce water and nutrients suitable for irrigation of green spaces. In addition to this, constructed wetlands use vegetation and biota to remove pollutants and reduce runoff sediment. They store and infiltrate rainfall runoff water and reduce the risk of flooding, also decreasing the amount of energy needed for water treatment while also providing habitats for biodiversity. With the selected tree species that are planted by implementing euPOLIS methodology, we provide cleaner and cooler spaces, creating calming and enjoyable places to spend time and therefore helping to improve mental and physical health for residents. Now, imagine these small blue-green spaces, we call them natural hubs, spreading across the city, creating a network of happy, healthy and livable spaces in an inclusive and democratic manner. Each of these hubs would connect our daily routine to nature, be a source of calmness, health, feeling of belonging to, and owing the public space equally and neighborly. Combining the knowledge of planners, architects, engineers, doctors, social scientists, biodiversity experts, and cultural and creative talents, this life quality-centered planning approach has created a set of interacting planning criteria, the euPOLIS approach, which helps cities to better balance local environmental conditions with their urban infrastructure and economic, social, and cultural settings. 4 pioneering European cities are already making this euPOLIS approach a reality, along with cities that will follow their experience. In order to prove that the presence of nature has positive effect on the quality of our lives and health, we are employing state-of-the-art information communication technologies. We record change in our demo cities, combining environmental data from our locations with health and well-being data gathered by volunteers using wearable devices to demonstrate the benefits of integrating nature in cities and encouraging others to follow the euPOLIS approach. Get involved yourself. Discover more on how to implement the euPOLIS methodology by getting in touch with our experts and help transform our cities into thriving environments for all.